Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll walk you through the Brainly app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. Brainly is a homework help and learning app where students can ask questions and get answers from other students, subject experts and AI tools. It's widely used for math, science, history, English and more. You can post questions, browse millions of solved problems and even explain answers to others to earn points. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Brainly on your search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and tap on install and open up your app. Once opened up, sign up with email, Google, Facebook or Apple. Pick your grade level and subjects you're interested in. Then tap the ask button at the bottom right here. Here's the ask button. So tap on that to ask your question. You can add a photo of your homework or problem for better clarity. Then tap post and wait for answers. Usually you'll get help within minutes. Then tap the search bar and enter a topic like causes of World War or quadratic equations. Browse through previously solved questions. Tap and answer. You'll often see step-by-step solutions, explanations or alternative methods. Use the filters to find the most relevant or recent answers. On the home feed, you'll see other students' questions. Tap a question you know, write your answer or explanation, then post. Each time you help, you earn points which you can use to ask more questions. You also build a profile reputation showing your expertise. With Brainly Plus, you get unlimited answers, step-by-step explanations, ad-free experience, and great if you're using daily for homework help. Be specific with your question for the best answers. Use Brainly for study revision, not just homework. Double-check answers. Use them as guides, not shortcuts. Combine with the textbook or notes for better learning. And that is how you can use the Brainly app step by step. You can ask, search or help others all in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.